sound. Of the coolest bike on the planet. All right, here's our first jump. Once again, psych. That would be the end of the wired freedom if I were to do that, I think. Some sugar sand. Oh yeah, Wipeout. It tried to get me, but it didn't. Ooh, tight little spot here. Hump. Big roots. Get those pedals neutral. Some tricky stuff for a so-called green trail. Obstacle ahead, bypass to the left. Next time we'll go over that. I thought it was more of a jump, but it's not. It's just a ramp. Bunker Hill, Black Expert to the left. No, thank you. Man, those trails are so intense. I got lost on one. It'd be nice one day for me to be capable and have a bike capable of that. I think some of you pros should go out there on your freedoms and film some expert level single track. Be careful on those roots. The chain ring can bottom out. I remember the first time I did this, it was my first off-road of any kind ever, and I was such a chicken. I was going about a half a mile an hour. Now we're just zipping through. This is so much fun. Whoop. Whoop. Sugar sand trying to defeat us. It's not going to. Because we got 2,400 watts of power. I think my bike itself, I feel like I'm falling off the back. That's okay. Least of our worries, as long as I've got a seat. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Oh, that's not beautiful, as I was sightseeing. This is a nasty little spot. Ugh. More sugar sand. It's kind of packed in because it's been raining. We're going up a straight incline here. Probably can't tell in the video, but up, up, up. We're in first gear, pedal assist 1, no issues at all. Give it a little bump of throttle every now and then if needed, but I haven't needed it much. But we are going uphill. And what goes up must come down. Still going up. Ooh. I know, right? I know, on the tortoise. That's just not nice. Hey. How you doing? Ooh, that looks like fun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Pedals caught. Gotta keep them neutral. I think I'm going the wrong way. Man, I hate to go that way. They're gonna go crazy. But I don't remember all this. Sorry. All right. Yeah, I messed up bad. Needed to turn right here. Yeah, I was on the black one. Oh, what a nightmare that would have been. As you saw. All right, blue. We're going blue. Cross our fingers, uphill, sugar sand. A dead bunny head up on the pole. It's always a sign of good luck, right? Big hump, big neutral tires, or we would have been in trouble. It's much longer than I remember. Trail merge. Make sure no crazy dudes are coming. I think my bike just shifted into second gear by itself, as it tends to do. Nasty root situation there. Go sideways. Super nasty root situation. No problems for the Wired Freedom. Exit and hair. Oh, we're going hair, baby. Blue and green. Yeah, my seat has shifted. The nose is up and uncomfortable. Ooh, this is tight. I feel like I'm falling off the back. Blue and green. What do we want? What do we want? slightly tight. Ooh. Yeah, I've got to adjust that seat. That's unpleasant now. This big hump. Neutral. Oh, really big bump. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Front wheel came up. I think my bike shifted itself back into first. Jump. Big jump. Oh yeah, man, that's so much fun. Like a roller coaster. I just realized I'm squeezing these handlebars with everything I've got. I think my hands are going numb. Never had that happen before. But I can't stop holding on going up this hill. All right. Hair. Now look at that. That's just sick. There's nothing fun about that, man. Oh, nasty rock, actually. And a nasty jump bottom thing here. Man, this is not so hairish, if you ask me. All right, downhill, baby. Ooh, look at that nastiness. Try not to catch my pedal on nastiness. Uh-oh. Ooh, gotta get that pedal up. Definitely a learning curve to off-roading. And that's it. Trail merge. Go adjust this seat. We've been riding for a long time. Definitely over 2 hours. And we're still at 61.2 volts. So we've got some life left in us. That was awesome. I did want to get some pictures by the Camp Murphy sign here, so I'll take those, and we'll be back with more fun. All right, here we are on a beautiful, beautiful day. They're really just blocking the oh well. Here we are, beautiful day, Jonathan Dickenson State Park, on the awesome Blue Bullet, the 2024 Wired Freedom. On your left. Oops, sorry. That's okay. Let's take a quick break here to look at some of the, gosh, I don't know if these are canals or what they are, but I know they're full of alligators. I've seen many in there. The water's really up high. It's just on the other side of that stump, so I'm not going to sit here for too long. Goodness only knows what's in the weeds there, but we've got it on both sides. And just a lot of nice wildlife out here. I mean, beautiful. I've got to find out what that is. Goodness. Doesn't get much better than that. But we're going to turn around and head back to the off-road trails. See what kind of trouble we can get into. There we go. That thing is booking. That's pretty cool. Florida's bullet train right there. Take a trip on that if I ever need to go from Orlando to Miami. Right, we should be coming up on our single track trail here. Hope I didn't pass it. Comes up on us quick. We're going uphill. Just cruising along here. Is this it? No, that's the tricky one that gets me in trouble with near-death experiences. There it is. I was looking for the same trail. I missed it coming through. Excuse me. All right. Here we go. I'm going to make sure we're recording. I hope we are. There's Blue Lake Course to the right. Guy's going the wrong way. Fire ring doesn't sound like anything I need to be part of. Okay, here we have the sugar sand. Could never make it through on my other bike. I'm going to lean forward. I'm going to try to power through and see what happens here. Wow, that's shocking. Could not even think of doing that on my 750 watt bike. That was insane. That was the softest of soft sugar sand, and here we go again. Power through. The only thing with the power through is you've got to be on your steering wheel because it's going all over the place. Wow. That's just impressive right there. Oh, this is blue? I don't want blue. But we're going to stick to it. This is where blue and green kind of combine. Intermediate sugar sand here. Oh, no, it's not. That's full-blown sugar. Uphill. We're going straight uphill now. That's when the electricity becomes our friend. All right. Palmetto to the left and green to the right. Man, we got off too soon. Okay. But we're going to do a lot more off-roading shortly. All right, we'll do a little on-road. Boy, we're right into a 15-mile-an-hour wind. It is blowing the bike all over the place. Yeah, this is no joke going uphill. Yeah, I'm getting blown over. Better slow down. As the sign says, slow down a bit so we don't get hit. Cranking away here. Ready to come up on the haunted building on the left. It's just creepy looking. We'll be going downhill quite a bit. That's that creepy building. On your left. Ranger residence. Man, I think people do live in that thing. That's horrible. That's probably the highest elevation in Florida up there. Very nice view of the area here. You can see the intercoastal, which is directly to our right, which is the east, and then the ocean. Probably see Jupiter Island. Maybe see Tiger's house. I'll drive by there sometime so you guys can check it out. The Hobe Mountain Observation Tower. Camp Murphy. All right, we're going to go back down those bumpy, hilly roads, then hit another path, and we'll be back. I think somebody lives in that haunted place. Man, the poor rangers have to live there? No. I mean, there's evil spirits in there. Hey, buddy. Not too sure about us. I don't know where he's going. He probably does. All right, dude. We'll catch you later. Here we are back at Camp Murphy Trailhead. This is where everybody does their thing. They've got a practice course over there, jumps, chalk bridges, everything. Got a wash station, bathrooms, 2 warm-up off-road trails, then you hit the serious stuff there. Some joggers headed down the paved path. That's where we started our day. Dude still parked there blocking everybody. Here's the Brightway Railroad. I'm always real careful there. Don't want to get hit at 100 miles an hour. And now we'll be back when we get to our next trail. It took us about 3 miles to get here from our last check-in. And wow, I had to be into a 20 plus mile an hour wind. The wind really seems to affect me a lot more on this bike than my others. Maybe because we're going faster, I don't know. But this is just a awesome little bike trail. Speed limit's 15. I know some of our viewers love going 15 miles an hour. But this is not to be rushed. This is just a nice... We're going to take it down a notch and just enjoy this path. Single track that we'll hit if they're open. Oh, this is nice. The trees are somewhat blocking the wind, but it's gusting. I hope you can't hear it because I can't hear myself. But it's better here than it was on the main trail there, the main road. The first car I've seen here today, and there's 2. A little single track trail there, but it's blocked. Hello. This goes for several miles. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Don't like that. But we're going to go real slow. It's not deep. Or so I say. Well, it's deep. But we're already in it. They got some serious rain the last few days. Well, we did it. Here we go. Came up on us quick. I normally park here. Stretch the legs. Stretch everything I can for a few minutes. This way a little. All right. Oh, I did want to show you the amazing life-saving seat. We've gone 8.5 miles and I have 0 discomfort, pain, anything from sitting. And normally I'd be in agony by now. But it's the Blue Wind off Amazon. It's not a cheap one. It's not super expensive, 40-ish plus dollars. Well worth it, guys. Especially if you're a big dude like me. I've tried just about every other option. Of course, we have the fender and the rear rack off of there. Mounted the light under there with a little mount off of the Amazon, and the Blue Bullet's looking good. It enjoys the day here at Jonathan Dickenson. All right, we're gonna jump back on and get going. All right, do a very little off-road trail here, short that is. There's a bunch of these on this really nice bike trail, but all the other ones were all flooded out. See if we can get a jump here. Oh, yeah, we did. Got a little air. We're coming to the end of this part of this trail. We have various options here. I'm going to go straight up and show you guys the visitor center and the campground. Off to the left here we have a beautiful, looks brand new, but state-of-the-art visitor center. All kinds of cool information about the Florida wetlands and whatnot. There we have the game warden, I'm sure. But here's the welcome center, visitor center. They do all kinds of fun stuff. Hey there. All kinds of awesome activities for kids, especially in the summer. Yep, Junior Ranger. You can volunteer, get supplies in there. I'm going to skip the campground for now, but you can see these are cabins you can rent, and then there's rural, old-fashioned camping over there. My buddy Joe would love. Here's a long trail. I've never gotten to the end of this one on the right here, but I don't have time today. I may come back and do that after my meetings. Here's more pavilions. Playgrounds. How you doing? Gift shop. Got bike rentals there, canoes, kayaks, really nice, large, well-stocked shop in there. I usually stop and get a Diet Coke or a water. But I have got to race back to the truck. Man, I really want to go down that trail. I've gone several miles down there, and it gets rough. It's unkept. Not one of our manicured trails. And I'd like to see how far I could go on that thing. Maybe later. Maybe, no, it's going to bring the truck back down. All right, we're going to do a little bit of the side trail here, and then we're going to have to do fast trail. Use my blinker for these fine folks. Gotta love the blinker, and it beeps to remind you to turn it off in case you're senile like myself. Just kidding. But right, here we are going through the lake again. Get the pedals neutral and go slow. Get those tires cleaned off and the rims. There we go. Okay, here we are coming to the end of this trail. So several more miles here. Getting back, this is the main road through the park. Usually very little traffic. Still have to check. And I am running late for my first meeting. So we're gonna kick it up a bit here. Use some battery. I'm back. I'll tell you, 35 plus miles an hour makes a big difference on how quick you get around here. This is usually such a long ride back for me. But we are here. Got the law there. We're going to take a break, have a little Arnie Palmer action, get ready for our meeting, and then come back and do some single track. Park the bike right here where I can keep an eye on her. Oh, I forgot I had this. Nice. Just burned 900 calories. Drink a little nectar of the heavens there. The man, Arnie. Alright, we're going to hit some single track here. Going to do some green novice, some blue intermediate. We're going to skip the bobcat and the little cat today. Head straight to the tortoise. Hopefully it's not too busy out here. All right, here's our first jump. Once again, psych. All right. Looks like the end of the road. It's really not. This place goes on forever with trails. Probably go out here and just cruise through the area a little bit. Little bonus activity for those who care to watch it. Registered campers only. I think we're registered. No, we're not. About the 500th caution deadly alligator sign I've seen. Another nice pavilion. Some bikers resting and relaxing up there. I won't bother them. Let's see where this goes. Ooh, see some soft sand on that turn. Could have been deadly. So I didn't have time to slow down enough, so I shifted my weight opposite. And I think that saved our life. All right, we'll head out of the campground. We'll go back down the trail and then start to call it a day here. Yield to crazy bikers. There goes a crazy biker. May not be crazy. Some trails off there to the right, and black diamonds. There's a guy, I don't know if we can see him out there in the distance. I think he's coming this way, yeah. Blake. How you doing? All right. Oh, that hurt. That was a bigger hole than I thought it would be. And we're coming up on the end of the trail. Again, just an awesome day. I'm excited to get back and edit and post a bunch of video. Should have some good stuff today, especially from the single track. That was super fun. Can't wait to come back. Probably it'll be at least 10 days. All right. This is it. It's been a great day. Thanks for watching. Some good edited video hopefully tonight. And we'll be back here soon.